Welcome to this Elite Technique tutorial, the all-in-one fence software built to make your business work smarter, not harder. In this session, we'll guide you step by step through the process of creating price lists in Elite Technique. You'll also discover the different rule options available, giving you the flexibility to build customized price lists that perfectly fit your business needs. Whether this is your very first time using the system or you're already a seasoned pro, this tutorial is built to give you clear, practical steps that lead to success every single time. By the end, you'll have the confidence and know how to create price lists in a professional, efficient, and streamlined way. So let's get started and create your very first price list together. In Elite Technique, you're allowed to create as many price lists as you wish. By default, your system will bring a price list called Public Price List. Please do not delete or alter this price list, for it contains all the costs that we have input into our system for our products and product variants, as well as materials and labor costs. Let's begin by clicking on the 9 dots located on the upper left part of the screen. Go into the Sales app, which is like a little bars graph icon. Click on Products at the top of the screen and select Price Lists. Click on Create to create a new price list from scratch. First, let's give our new price list a name. It could be anything like Wholesale, Cash and Carry, or Install. Then, under the Price Rules tab, click on Add a Line. This will open the section where we can view and select the rules that we want our price list to contain. First off is the All Product Zone, where we will determine if these rules will be applied on all products, on a specific product category, a specific product, or to any product variant. We then need to set a start and end date for when we want these rules to come into effect. Most people set the date for the same day and they set no end date. Remember to click on the little check to make it effective. Now we move on to the price computation zone, which is the meat and potatoes of managing pricing. First, we need to decide whether we want to compute the price based off of a fixed price, a specific discount percentage, or a formula. If you choose fixed price or percentage discount, just enter the amount on the field that appears on the right next to the name. When we select formula, we also have the ability to select if we want the formula to be based on sales price, cost, or another already existent price list. After that is set, we then go to the bottom where we can view the option we just chose next to new price equals. We then mark up or down our selection next to price discount. If we want to mark up our products, enter a negative quantity, and if you want to mark them down, enter a positive number. You may add more money to the markup in the field next to the plus sign. You also have the ability to round to the next cent or dollar figure by entering the amount next to rounding method. Finally, you may enter your minimum and maximum amount for margins next to min margin, max margin. And that is how we create any type of price list in Elite Technique. Don't forget to hit save and close to complete the process. Thank you very much.